Ever come across a hex code and wondered what it means in plain text? A hex-to-text converter helps you quickly decode hexadecimal values into readable text. In this video, we'll introduce a simple tool that makes it easy to convert hex codes and understand their meaning. Stay tuned to learn how it works and where it can be useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tools. 1. Introduction to hexadecimal and text conversion. Hexadecimal, commonly known as hex, is a base 16 numbering system widely used in computing, web development, and cybersecurity. It consists of 16 symbols, 0 to 9 and AF, making it a compact way to represent binary data. Since computers primarily operate using binary code, hexadecimal serves as a more readable alternative. However, hex values are not easily understandable by humans, making a hex-to-text converter an essential tool. This tool converts hexadecimal code into readable text, allowing users to decode encoded messages, debug software, and analyze data effectively. Understanding this conversion process is crucial for programmers, IT professionals, and digital forensics experts. 2. The difference between hex and ASCII. Hexadecimal and ASCII are both crucial in computing, but they serve different purposes. Hexadecimal is a base 16 system that represents binary data in a more readable format, commonly used in programming, color codes, and memory addresses. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, on the other hand, is a character encoding standard that assigns numerical values to letters, numbers, and symbols. When converting hex to text, each hex pair corresponds to an ASCII character. For example, the hex value 41 maps to the ASCII character A. This relationship is what allows a hex-to-text converter to transform encoded data into readable text efficiently. Understanding the difference between hex and ASCII helps users grasp why hex is commonly used in data encoding and how it can be converted into meaningful text. 3. Common applications of hex-to-text conversion. The hex-to-text converter is widely used across different industries. In software development, programmers use it to decode hexadecimal data stored in memory, analyze system logs, and debug applications. Web developers rely on hex encoding for URL encoding, where specific characters are represented in hexadecimal format to ensure proper transmission across the internet. 4. Using a hex-to-text converter for file analysis. Hexadecimal encoding is commonly found in various file types, including images, documents, and executable files. A hex-to-text converter helps in extracting and analyzing hidden information within these files. For example, a JPEG image file contains hex data that defines image properties. If you open a JPEG file in a hex editor, the first few bytes often appear as FFT8FF, which represents the file signature. 5. Why you should use a hex-to-text converter. A hex-to-text converter is an essential tool for anyone working with encoded data, whether in programming, cybersecurity, or data analysis. Instead of manually decoding hex values, this tool automates the process, ensuring quick and accurate conversions. It saves time, reduces errors, and improves efficiency when dealing with hexadecimal encoded text. To try it out, visit www.calculator6.com/hex- to -text-converter/ and convert your hex codes instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-related tutorials. See you in the next video.